dribble. Pass to Olivin. Wala, water, shot clock. Last quarter lang tayo, may shot clock. Oh, rebounds ito. Not good. Rebounds ng Light. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 12. Good shot. Sa Light. Time out. Time out under. Bola sa Adar. Pass number 16. Awitin. Umira. Not good. Rebound sa number 3. Oh, foul. Adeline. Increase yun. Kita sa replay. Bola sa Dark. Number 10. Pass to number 11. Tumira ng 3 points. Good shot. Ang score, 19-24. Number 3, tumira ng 3 points. Pasok. 27-19 ang score. Number 3 points. Number 10, sa dark dribble. Dribble. Hindi na kapasa. O, number 18. Doon. Balik sa number 10. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Oh, nandoon sa number 10. Oh. Out ang bola. Bola sa Light. Good shot. Pass break na naman. Number 22 sa Light. 2 points. O, number 10 sa dark dribble. Pass number, tumira naman 3 points. Not good. Rebound sa 3-14. O, mayroong foul. Counting. Foul number 28. First foul. 13 foul ang Light. Oh, bonus throw. Rebound. Not good. Rebound. Number 15. Titip. Oh, huli na naman. Oh, number 10. Pass break na naman. Not good. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 10. Sadar. First team foul every team. Oh, number 15 dribble sa Light. Pass to number 3. Number 22. Nandun. Oh, rebounds 14. Nandun naman number 10 dribble.
Nice!
Oh, nahuli ang bola. Number 15. Oh, 22. Good shot. 31-21 ang score. Namangan Light. 11 dribble sa dark. Pass to number 10. Back to number 11. Dribble number 11. Tumira. Oh, mayroong foul. Counted. Sino foul? Pwede. Sabi niya, si Kantin foul. Oh, last. Bonus throw, rebound. Not good. Rebound sa 17 sa Light. Number 15 dribble. Number 15 dribble. foul. Pasa sa wala. Sayang.
Pasa sa referee.
Score 31-23.
Check.
Oh, number 10 sa line. Adart dribble.
Kumusta?
Pass to number 18. Tumira ng 3 points.
Wala pa magkasama.
Wala pa. Oh, good. Oh, 13 na naman. Oh, good shot sa number 2. 33-23 ang score. Number 10 dribble sa dart. Oh, simple. Dalawang kan rebound sa line. Oh, number 11. Number 18, back to number 18. Tumira number 10. Good shot. And the score, 25-33. Not good. Number 10 dribble. Tumira. Mayroong foul. 77. Counted rin. Foul. Second team foul for every team. Time out under. Ang score 33-27.
Saan yan i-upload mo yung mga video?
Oh,
Doon sa
rebound.
ano, Clarinda Silandra.
Good shot.
Ah, makita mo yan.
28-33 ang
Clarinda
score.
Silandra.
Oh. Nasa G.
Number 13 sa line.
Tingnan mo yung ano, tingnan mo sa Facebook yung page. Oh.
22 dribble.
Clarinda Silandra United.
Good, not good. Oh, anyway, sa dart dribble.
I-share ko sa ano, sa GC.
Pass to number 10.
Yun sa akin, group shot lang ng
Out.
Clarinda sa
Oh.
Silandra.
Warning for penalty ang line. Tumira ng 3 points. Rebound sa oh, block. Ayaw pagka-block. Number 18, Samdar. Dribble. Pass to number 14. 14, drive. Oh. Trouble? 14. Oh. 13 foul. Ang start. Warning for penalty ang line. Travel violation. Okay. Travel violation. Oh, bola sa dart. Dribble. Oh. 33. Huli na naman, number 10. Dribble. Okay. Ang score, 32-33. Lamang ng half shot ang line. Mabul na. Good. Okay. Doon sa line, dark. Oh, rebound. Oh, number 18, tumira. Good shot, lamang naman. Oh, lamangan na. Oh, number 10, line, rebound. Duel. Oh, foul Apul. Foul Apul. Not good. Oh, hindi kayo sa kalaban. Oh, sa dark kabulang. Number 10 right. Oh, 8. Number 3. Good, rebound. Counted.
Eh,
Foul number 14. First tip foul at dark. O bonus throw.
lamig. Sabi.
Good shot. 36-34. Number 77 slide. 3 point. Oh, number 11. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound. Andun sa number 3. Slide dribble. Dribble. Okay. Good. Number 10 guard. Dribble. Then dribble. Oh. Not good. Rebound. Mayroong foul. Number 10 sa guard. Second team foul. Guard. Number 10 foul. 2 points. Ay, nakikit. Oh, hole is number 3. Rebound. Dribble. Number 3 dribble. Tumira 3 points. Not good. Tumira naman. Second violation. Bola sa dark. Ang score 38-34. Labangan live. Baliktad naman ang score. Number 10, dark dribble. Number 18, 21. Good shot. Good foul. 77. Up niya ref. Sikat pa, sikat. Sikat, okay. O, bonus throw. Rebound. At good, rebound. Tututo. Nandoors number 3. Tumira na naman. Good shot. 14-36 ang score. Mula sa number 10. Dark, dribble. Dribble. Oh, that's number 10. Dribble. Mabutik. Oh, number 10. Number 11. Out, up. Out. Number 12. Oh, free throw. First in foul and live. Oh, first throw. Kadar, even. Not good. Last throw. Oh, rebound. Good shot. 1 point. 37-40 ang score. 13 sa line dribble. Number 12. Good. 42 ang score. Number 7 sa line ang score. Number 10. Sa line dribble, on arm dribble. Hindi na kapasahan. Oh, number 11. Number 18. Romeo. Oh, mayroong foul. Number 12. Not counted rep. Second personal foul. Number 12. Substitution. Oh. Number 14. Back to number 11. Tumira ng 3 points. Good shot. Sa number 11 sa dark. 14-42 ang score. 2 points lang lamang. Okay, Holly. Sayang. Sayang. Oh, line dribble. Good shot. Number 3 sa line. Ang score, 44-40. Number 10 sa dark dribble. Number 11, pass to number 14, of 51. Good shot. Number 10 sa line dribble, pass to number 2. Mayroong foul. Number 18. 13 foul now. First personal foul number 18. Foul number 10. Warning for penalty. Under. Oh, free throw. Third foul number 10. Oh. Good shot. Last throw. Good shot. Time out under. Number 10, dark dribble. Number 21. Mayroong foul.
Hindi, makakalaban yun.
13th foul. Number 12 sa line. Third personal foul. Number 12 sa line. Oh, free throw sa 21. First throw.
Makakalaban ng 1.
Good. 43. Ang score, 46. Last throw.
Lalaban 1-3, 2-4. Sino magpupuan sa 4? Sino magpupuan sa 4? Ano
Last touch at 12.
Ito sila, di ba?
Light. Wala naman sa dark.
Yung yam at saka kuan, purple yam at saka
Mabag.
Mabag.
Good shot. 45-46. Laban ng half shot ang light. Release number 14, bola sa dark. Release number 10. Get it. Foul number 21. Penalty. Kemudian Nice. 49-45. Ang score. Number 18.
Pre, shot clock.
Oh, foul number 28. Naabot. Last throw.
Good luck, pre.
Not good. Rebound pa lang sa kanila. Sa dark. Violation. Number 2 sa live dribble. Oh, counted. Mayroon foul. Counted rin.
Anak tayo ni sponsor pre.
Overrated. First team foul under. Oh, bonus throw. Counted. Last. Not good.
Saan tayo?
Early Tapio. Walang team mong bola. Good. Rebound sa 14. Number 11 dribble. Dribble number 11. Dribble. Dribble. Tumira. Not good. Rebound sa 12. Number 2 dribble. Sa line. Number 3. Oh, no. Oh, isa. Back to normal. Pass free. Oh, Jet. 47-51 ang score. Oh, ito dito. Passing number 2. Oh, libre naman. Oh, Captain. 49-51. 2 points. Counted. Ang score 49-51. Sorry ha, nabisa kayo. Kulang bis nabisa, hindi pa native. Okay. Number 2. So, dribble, slide, tumira. Mayroong foul. Illegal splitting.
Mobile school.
Oh, bola sa dark. Number 18. Oh! Iwan. Siap lang ha. Eden. Good shot. Naman. Foul number 21. Pusing. 3 lagi 52, 51 tama yan. Okay na score 52 lamang kayo hanggang 3 point kaya kanila.
Pre, sarap ng barbecue mo.
Ilang sige na.
Ha?
Sarap ng barbecue.
Oh.
Saan?
Free throw, first throw.
Sa trabaho niyo.
Aw!
Nag-viral ba yun?
Oh, na score ha. Lamangan siya. Not good. Rebound. Not good. Mayroong foul 22. Second team foul for every team. Lamang ang Dark. 1 point. Oh, free throw. First throw. Very good sa Dark. Good shot. 53 na. Laban ng Tandal, dalawa.
Mananalo
Last throw.
Puto ah.
Oh, di ba sa 77? Number 10 rebound. Number 2 rebound. Three points. Ang shot, ang flight. Oh, holy Spirit. Not good. Dribble number 10. Good shot. Lamang naman. Oh, rebound. Rebound sa number 10. Oh. Foul number 3. Sa line. 13 foul. Right. Time out. First 14 seconds shot clock. Oh. Bola sa line. Bola. Bola number 24. Foul number 2. Out. Sap. Warning for penalty and line. First throw, Sadar. Good shot. Last throw. Good shot. Jangan foul. 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 Number 18. Number 18. Foul. Opposing foul. 21. Ano yun? Good shot. Technical yan, control.
Oy, oy, oy! Delaying the game na yan! Delaying the game na yan! Delaying the game na yan! Tama na yan!
Time out. Oh. Bonus throw. Number 2. Slide. Simple.
Mon, Mon!
Shot lang.
Mon! Mon! May mic ka dyan!
11. Bola na naman si Dirk. Bola sa Dirk, number 10 dribble. Shot. Oh, may rolling na. Time out.
Pre, music, pre. Pre, music. Good.
Warning po penalty ang guard.
One leg, wala.
Good. Penalty rin.
Oh, penalty. Foul red, push foul red.
Grabe. Laro yun. Ang ganda. First throw. Not good. Last throw.
Time out, pumasok.
Puwenta.
Sa shot... Pre, sa shot clock na lang! Sa shot clock!
May photo.
Game.
Next game. By Finance versus Mechanics.
Pre,
Apat lang
andyan na kayo?
ang lamang.
Ha? Nahihiya? Ah, ganun ba? Eh, nagluto naman si Mrs.